Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Detox for React Native end-to-end testing, detailed guide step-by-step clearly. To activate Detox for React Native end-to-end testing, start by ensuring you have Node.js installed on your machine. Next, create a new React Native project if you haven't done so. Navigate to the project directory using your command line or terminal. Install Detox by running the command npm install detox savedev. Once Detox is installed, you'll also need to install the required dependencies for the project. This includes setting up the Detox CLI as a global dependency with the command npm install gdetox CLI. Next, you'll need to configure your Detox settings in your package.json file. Add a Detox section to specify the configurations you want for your testing environment. Include the configurations for both iOS and Android platforms, detailing the build type and the binary paths. For iOS, you will usually set the binary path to the compiled app in your build folder. For Android, specify the path to the APK file of your app. After that, make sure to generate the app builds for both iOS and Android platforms. Use Xcode to build the iOS project and Gradle to build the Android project. Once the builds are generated, it's time to create the first Detox test. Create a new folder named E2E in your project root for organizing your tests. Inside the E2E folder, create your test file, such as firsttest.e2e.js. In this test file, start by importing Detox and the necessary libraries you'll need. Write a basic test case using Jest to describe what you want to test. Ensure you include a beforeAll function to set up Detox before running your tests. Add Detox actions like launching the app and navigating through it. Make sure to include assertions to verify the expected outcomes. Now, run your Detox tests on iOS or Android by using the corresponding commands in your terminal. For iOS, use detox test see ios.sim.debug. For Android, the command is detox test see. Monitor the console for any logs or errors during the execution of your tests. You can further refine your tests by adding more scenarios and assertions as needed. Finally, review the results and make adjustments to your tests or application based on the feedback provided. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.